Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. We went to the Bahamas. We stayed at Grand Hyatt Baha, and when I tell you this place is absolutely gorgeous, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Everywhere was aesthetically pleasing. Like you could literally take a photo everywhere. It was so beautiful, this property. But first when we got there, we went and got something to eat because it wasn't time to check in yet. We went to Pizza Lab. Look at this view. Oh my gosh, so pretty. But we got like wings and pizza. I didn't show the pizza because once it came, we literally devoured it. But we got wings, pizza, and then after we ate, we kind of like walked the property, and not even all of it because this place is ginormous. But that was a cute little koi fish pond right there. But the place is huge. But there is literally so many pools. Like you will never not have a pool to go to because it's so many pools. But we walked the property as much as we could, like I said, because it just was so big. But we wanted to mainly see like where the pools were and the beach. So here's another pool. And like I said, everywhere is aesthetically pleasing. You could take a picture anywhere. Surprisingly, I didn't take any pictures on this trip, which is crazy because I had brought my lights and everything, and I thought I was going to be flicking it up. But it's like, look at this walkway. Aesthetically pleasing. You could snap a shot. Here's the beach. We didn't actually go on the beach because we had on our airport clothes, but now it's time to check in. We got our keys and we trying to head to the room, but we got lost because again, this place is huge. This was the first place that we went to where we needed direction. Like we literally had to keep asking people, how you get here? How you get here? How you get over here? But yeah, so now we finally are on the right track. This is like where we're supposed to be, our floor or whatever. And look at that, just gorgeous everywhere you look, like I said. So now we're gonna head to our room. We were in the West Tower in, like I said, Grand Hyatt Baha, and we were in 1167 was our room number. It was literally the last room at the end of the hall. And we got to our room. You needed like your bracelet or whatever to be able to like get inside, which I thought was like a cute little touch. And you see the color of the bracelet, hello, like on trend. But here's the room. I loved the color scheme of this room. Like if you are not new here, then you know these kind of tones are just like my favorite. They make me feel calm and happy, and it's just crazy. But so when I saw that was like the color scheme, I was like, oh, it's lit. It's lit. I feel right at home. So yeah, the room was pretty like standard, but it still was like super cute because I feel like just the decor and the color scheme like really elevated it. But we just had like a king bed. It had a balcony. We ate breakfast out there a few times. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the room tour. The room was definitely like a standard room, but I feel like it was just so cute. To me, I was really gassing this room up because I was surprised to see like the color scheme. I loved it so much. Like, look at it. Are you crazy? No, I didn't gas it up. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, look at it. We made it. I had to put these locks up. You see my edges sweated out. But we made it. We have checked in. We were killing time at the casino, and we literally walked around the whole property just to see, well, not the whole property, because this place is ginormous. It's a combination of 3 different hotels into one. But we walked around majority of the pool areas and the beach to like get acquainted with like that kind of stuff, because we want to know where the pools are, where the beach is, when it's time to like go get in the water. So we did that, and then we were at the casino. They do have a casino here. If you know me, then you know I'm a slots girl, okay? So I love me a good casino. But we did that, and now we back in the room. We finally checked in, and we about to change. I look so crazy, but we are about to put on some swimwear and go get some sun before the sun goes down, because it's after 4 and we want to try to like, you know, get into it before the sun goes down. So that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna take y'all with me for today. Like whatever we do today, I'm gonna try to like make sure I record and get content, but for the rest of the trip it's all short form content. So make sure you are watching my YouTube shorts to be kept abreast on what's going on for the birthday vacay, because my birthday is tomorrow. That reminds me, my niece's birthday is today. Happy birthday, Nani. I have to reach out to her before I forget well, I would never forget, but before I like get sidetracked, I need to reach out to her. But yeah, we're about to change, head to the water. Okay, so I started unpacking. Here is like my couple of bags that I brung, my shades, my booby tape, you know, that's like mandatory. My jewelry is in that case, like I told y'all, that is from Amazon. And I have the couple of little like vacation beach bags that I brought. So I unpacked that. And then in here, because it was not enough hangers, I just kind of have like some of my gym stuff and some like bralettes and stuff. A couple of pairs of slides, all like right here. The one pair of shoes that I brought, and all of my swimwear and sarongs and bathing suit skirts and everything is in this little packing cube. I decided to just like leave it like that because again, it's not enough hangers. And then over here, I just have majority of like my outfits unpacked, and then like the jacket that I wore for the airport because it just be way too cold. I'm anemic. I have anemia. I can't take the cold. So I have a jacket, but the rest of this stuff is literally just like the outfits. My birthday dress, I cannot wait to wear that dress. It is so cute, and with like all of the accessories and stuff, like it's just really gonna give. So I'm really excited about that dress. But this dress is super cute too. I got this from Forever 21. It's just like a peach kind of colored slip dress. I might do like a get ready with me when I wear that dress because I love it so much, and I think it'll look really cute with like beige. But yeah, so all of my outfits just here, and I love that they give you like slippers and robes or whatever. The robes is like lost in the sauce with the clothes. But yeah, so I unpacked now. I'm trying to rush. It is 5 o'clock. I'm trying to hurry up so we could at least get some time in the water before the sun goes down. So I'm about to literally like hurry up and change to go to the pool. I just chose to wear this bathing suit for the first day because honestly, this is not one of like my like bathing suits that I want to tan in because it's so like it's kind of full coverage low-key. So this is not one that I want to tan in. So I was like, I'm gonna wear this today. I showed this in my Shein vacay haul. I have it tied like this because I don't like when it rides down, and I don't want to have to keep on pulling it up because I have like crazy love handles, so I don't have time for the foolishness. So yeah, this is what I have on my cute little beach bag that I got from Amazon. I will link this below if you're interested. Like, this is very handy. Like, I have a few things in here, and it is, look, you can't even tell. It looks like it's only a little bit of stuff in here. But yeah, so we about to head to the pool. Hello, we got a towel.
Oh, yeah. Vanessa never leave me.
The beat check.
Should I comment on her Twitter? Should I tell her how I feel? She's the woman for me. She's a queen and a demon. Vanessa come through that. Vanessa roll and roll. Make you know ignore me. You see me standing close. I'm a OG. No, they do me so. Oh, pretty girl, I wanna take you.
Okay, so we are back in the room. I just finished like getting ready. I took a shower. I threw on a quick face and an outfit, and we are about to go hit the town. Like, I did a super quick makeup look, but I kind of like used my long lasting products because I know we're gonna be out for a while. It's almost my birthday. We about to go turn up and have some fun. But I just filmed a quick like short get ready with me for this outfit. So I just have on my green two-piece set that I got from Shein with the beige slides that I showed y'all that I got from Shein, and my Coach pillow tabby, and my jewelry is from the Luxe collection, and my shades are from Shein, I believe. Pretty sure. So this is what I have on. I did not get to film too much at the pool because they was playing music, so obviously I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I couldn't really like talk to y'all too much. But yeah, we're about to probably go get some food and then check out the jazz bar. They have a jazz bar here. Again, it's gonna be music playing, so I probably won't be able to show you like in real time. So if I don't get a chance to close out the vlog, let me do that now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried to get a lot of shots of the property so you can see. Tomorrow is my birthday. I'm really excited. I really want to do like a birthday get ready with me, And I really want to do like a birthday come to dinner with us, because I'm really excited to try one of the restaurants here. I haven't had pasta in forever, and they have this really nice Italian restaurant, so I'm really excited about that. But thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.